Hello everyone. In today's lecture, we are going to study one-to-many relationship. So in the previous video, we discussed about inner join. So inner join is basically when we have two data frames, data frame D1 and data frame D2. And this intersection portion, we call it inner join. So further, inner join is having two kinds of relationships. First one is one-to-one relationship and another is one-to-many. So in one-to-one relationship, I would take an example like I am having only one state ID card. You might be having only one state ID card. Definitely, everyone is having only one state ID card. So similarly, one-to-many relationship is if I am a customer, I would like to refer to a customer C1. He might be purchasing number of items, item 1, item 2, item 3, I mean number of items. One customer can purchase number of items. So this is basically one to many relationship, and the relationship that we discussed in the previous video was one to one relationship, that was simple inner join. So in one to many relationship, in this tutorial we are going to discuss about in detail the one-to-many relationship in which we are having two data sets. First data set is word offices and another data set is business licenses. So we are having two data sets here, word offices and business licenses. It represents in one to many relationships, like one ward may have number of businesses like B1, B2, B3, B4, and so on. And similarly, Ward 2 may also have different businesses B5, B6, B7, and so on. And same for other wards. So similarly, when a data set ward offices that contains different wards, every ward may have different business licenses, many business licenses. When a ward contains, I mean, links to many business licenses, we call this kind of relationship a one to many relationship. So start. Let's create a new Python file in Jupyter Notebook and start doing one to many relationship. It's really fun. Yeah. So we are almost there. Yeah. Here I'm going to name this file one to many relationships in pandas. Yeah. So here we are. Let's start with importing pandas. Import pandas as PD. And now we have to read a CSV file that we know Word offices, Word, and pd.read CSV. This is a function which is used to read the CSV file. Now our CSV file is here. We can see here this one, Word offices. I'm going to copy the path of this CSV file and paste it here and changing the slashes, the direction of keys. So I'm done. putting the name of the dataset, that is Ward offices.csv. Now, I just want to display first 5 rows of this data frame Ward, and I'm going to read another data frame, that is business licenses. That's here, almost here, this one. So we are going to copy the path of business license where we have stored, where we have saved the business license CSV file, and paste it here. And I'm going to name it licenses equals pd.read CSV. Again, changing the direction. And the name of the file and the name of the data set is business licenses in small case. And the extension CSV. So, licenses. And make sure Python is case sensitive. Take care of your cases. If it is uppercase or lowercase, you have to take it into consideration. So now I'm going to print first 5 rows of this data frame. That's going to be here in a short while, and it's here, and it's showing a warning that it is saying column 6 have mixed data type. Just ignore it. This is just a warning, or we can just simply set to memory false and run this. So now we are having the second data frame in front of us. Now I'm going to merge wards and licenses. Ward dot merge, and inside licenses, and I have to merge on the column ward, which is present in here in the first data frame and in the second data frame as well. All right, so I'm going to name it ward licenses equals using head, print it. So here we can see we are having many columns. Like here we can see address X, city X, state X, then address Y, city Y, state Y. Yeah. So now if we would like to see how many rows are there in the resultant table, definitely the left data frame had only, let's check how many rows word dot shape has, like word data frame has. Let's check it using the shape attribute. I'm running it. It has only 50 rows. And what does, how many rows word licenses has? Definitely now this left data frame, which is only having 50 rows, now is merged to word licenses data frame, or the new data frame is there. So if I would have to check the shape, or how many rows and how many columns it contains, it would definitely be more. Yeah. So now we can see here, this is basically the one to many relationship. So this is simple using the merge function, and we have applied this merge function on the word column. I hope this is clear to you. Thank you.